Hi everyone, so Roshni this side from Bangalore. So today I'm going to show you a lot of designer corset. ये सारे pure fabric में. So this is the first one which I am wearing. So इसके साथ चिनॉन का प्योर का प्लाजो है, a crop top with a shrug. So इसका जो exact look है, it's completely with the handwork. So यहाँ पर ऐसे पूरा detailing handwork आएगा. The fabric is very nice and crop top is little long only. मैंने इसको थोड़ा fold करके पहना है, so your tummy will not be visible at all. And this is a crop top with the chinon palazzo, very stylish and very much in trend now. And this is 4795 क्योंकि ये pure fabric में we have only one size which fits for 40 and 42. 38 is my size, मैंने थोड़ा alter कराया है, so 38 मुझे आ गया है. But this is only one size 40 and 42. Amazing piece, बहुत ही designer corset है. The next piece, which is an organza fabric, is a very cute one again, and we have two colors in this, black and white. So it has a completely work which has a complete pearl kind of, and a very nice fabric with a nice designer sleeves. And this is only 42 size. It fit for 44 also. So 42 is the size for this, and this is only 3495. It's only one size, two color, black and white, classic piece. So this is the next piece जो बहुत ही डिफरेंट है, आप देख सकते हैं. This is like a little Indian style also, and इसके जो sleeves है वो बहुत स्टाइलिश है. This is a basically a organza satin fabric, so थोड़ा सा satin वाला look है, and colors are also very nice. So we have a green color and we have a blue color. It's a very traditional one. We have two sizes in this, 40 which fits for 38 and 40. We do have 44 also जो 42 and 44 को भी आएगा. So there are two sizes and of course with lining है, and इसकी जो detailing है because of the fabric and the little tassels in the front, and of course the sleeves which has a little stylish pattern. इसका प्राइस है only 4095. So this is only 4095. तो ये पीस में आपको वर्क भी मिलेगा. So यहाँ पूरा कटदाने का वर्क है नीचे, so वो हाईलाइट्स करता है आउटफिट को, and of course a nice piece with the two colors. This is also a designer piece because it has a organza jacket which has completely work, and this is with the inner and a bottom. So we have two colors in this, so both the color are pretty. So we have one peach color, one is a lilac color, and this is a shaded में. So ये जो अंदर का पीस है वो सिल्क में आएगा. So this is a normal silk क्योंकि ये रेंज वाइज बहुत रीजनेबल है, and this entire jacket में you will get a work, and the jacket is in organza fabric. So in the purple we have 30, 40, 42 and 44, and in peach we have 42 and 44. So it's also a very nice piece. Now I'll just show you few more designs जो हमने लॉन्च किया था एंड जो हमारे पास रीस्टॉक हुआ है. सो दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस कॉर्सेट जो हमने 3 कलर में लॉन्च किया था. सो इट हैज़ अ वर्क ऑल्सो यहाँ पर स्लीव्स में. सो वी हैव 3 कलर्स, वी हैव ब्लैक, वी हैव येलो एंड वी हैव रानी पिंक कलर, एंड द प्राइस इज ओनली 3795. सो ये 3795 का, एंड वी हैव 2 साइजेस इन दिस. सो 40 एंड 44, 2 साइजेस वी हैव इन दिस. So next one more designs we have restocked, and this is a green color. This is also a corset with a small work here. 3795, and we have 40 and 44. This is in organza fabric, and one of my favorite. So this is my favorite. It's a very stylish, very slick look, and this is in chinon fabric. Only 3295. So and this will fit for 38, and these kind of work is. That's all the corsets. So kindly go and buy from our website. Bye-bye.